What's up, man? Welcome back to the channel. We still trucking in J's. I'm Devin. Just wanted to come to y'all real quick. We got a real quick load today. Well, not even a load. It's a driver assist. They got a 53-foot trailer that need 24 pallets moved from the of course from the trailer to the ground. So they don't have a lift gate. So they gonna pay us $600 to do it because they do need me and Nick to do it. It actually worked out great because Big Bertha, which that video will be coming soon once we get her back and get that video finalized. But we took her to the shop to get a couple minor things taken care of. Not sure how long it's gonna take, but it worked out good. We can do this real quick, make $600 and still be free to take other loads. So on old Betsy. So I'm waiting for Nick to come get me, pick me up. We do have our pallet jack, and he said that asked us to take a dolly or a hand truck just in case. So we're gonna take care of that, man. I'm gonna check back with y'all once Nick get here, get this little dolly loaded up, or a hand truck, whatever you want to call it, and we'll check back in with you in a few. All right, so Nick just got here, so I'm gonna go ahead and load this dolly up real quick, and we're gonna head over here and make this quick money.
Hey, welcome aboard.
We're gonna make this quick money. I already told him what we're doing today. Man, get this out of the way, man. Please. What is it?
That, man?
No, man, that junk flat.
It ain't flat.
Whatever. Hold on, man. This is my first time riding in Big Bertha. I mean, who this?
This old Betsy.
Old Betsy.
Don't ever make that.
Hold us real quick.
All these gashes on this mug. What?
Professional now, boy. Professional.
I like that. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome Trucking the J's. He probably already did the intro, but I'll do it again. Welcome aboard. It's the best driver we got, so y'all in good hands today.
Yeah, what up? Got man. Got my seatbelt on. But yeah, man, this worked out perfect because we down a truck right now for a couple days. So, and anytime we can get together in this truck and do a little something, make a little money, you know how we do. But we're gonna go ahead and head out, and we're gonna get you some footage today, man. I promise. We're gonna get you some good footage, hopefully. All right, y'all, so we're pulling up here. Looks like it's at Wildwood South Apartments. I see the truck over there. Straight ahead. So we can go ahead and get out, back up to this right here. Go ahead and unload that and do a little work, man. We'll get back with you in a minute. Hey, just let y'all know we halfway through, so we're gonna go ahead and figure out where we're gonna put this, and then we'll come back and get the rest of those. There's like 8 or 9 pallets left. And we got 11. So not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and make it work, and then we're gonna show y'all us getting them down to the ground, then we're gonna head on out. All right, y'all, so we unloading over here, and we setting them up over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up, let y'all see a little bit of that. I got y'all. Don't worry about a thing. get y'all no exclusive footage like that, man, live from the back of the truck. All right, let me stop playing. We're gonna go ahead and unload the rest of these. Hope you can see that. And then we're gonna outro this video in a minute. All right, y'all, just like that, we done for the day.
That's it. We finished.
$600. Took us about 2.5 hours.
20 miles.
Yeah, ain't nothing but a little manpower. All right, man, until next time, we trucking the J.
Peace. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man, for real, for real.
We appreciate every last one of y'all.
For real. All right, man.
All right. Peace.